a small forest village named Kombai. The village was a peaceful place surrounded by hills and trees. In the evenings, the chirping of birds flying away and the children playing on the lawns were the norm of that village. In that village, a woman named Amirtha Kala lived with her sons, daughters-in-law, and grandchildren as part of a large joint family. In the forest village where they lived, there were no toy shops at all. An elderly toy merchant named Madhavan would carry toys in his shop and come to that village once every few months to sell them. In this way, he would travel to many places, sell toys, and sustain his livelihood from the income he earned. As soon as the children of the forest village saw the old man's toy basket, they would happily gather around him. Each time the toy seller came, Amirtha Kala made it a habit to buy toys from him for her grandchildren. Each time she bought toys, she would bargain and insist on reducing the price. But the old man would refuse, saying, "I cannot lower the price of the toys." Still, the toy seller would come to sell toys to Amirtha Kala. As usual, Amirtha Kala would bargain to reduce the price, but in the end, she would buy the toys at the price he asked. One day, when the old man brought his toys and came to Amirtha Kala's house, all the children sat around the basket and eagerly began to admire them. As usual, Amirtha Kala was bargaining to reduce the price and buying the toys. At that moment, the tired merchant who had climbed down the hill, feeling hungry as well, stumbled and fell down. Immediately, Amirtha Kala rushed into the house, served the old man with various homemade foods she had prepared, and relieved his hunger. He also regained his health, sold the toys needed for Amirtha Kala's grandchildren, and then went to other houses for his next sales. The children went to the front porch of the house to play with the toys their grandmother had bought for them. One of Amirtha Kala's sons, Santanu, who was observing all this, asked his mother like this. He asked, "You always bargain with that merchant to reduce the price when buying toys, but when it comes to serving food, you wholeheartedly offer a variety of dishes without worrying about the cost. What is the reason for that?" To that, Amirtha Kala replied, "When we ask the merchant to lower the price while buying, if he reduces the price out of kindness or fairness, he won't make any profit from his business. Similarly," she said, "if I calculate the cost while serving food and serve less, there will be no merit in the charity I do." Hearing this, Santanu understood that one should not expect fairness in business, nor should one treat charity like a business. Thus, a small incident in the life of a village mother became a lesson in morality, not only for Santhan, but for the entire village.